You are speaking English.
Everything is going okay.
Then suddenly, you do not understand the question.
Or I forget the word.
Or there is an awkward silence.
Or I say something wrong and I don't know how to fix it.
Leo, that moment feels scary.
Emma, it feels like my English disappears.
But today, we will fix that.
So this lesson is for moments when I feel stuck?
Exactly. You will learn simple English phrases for awkward moments.
Good. I need phrases that save the conversation.
Welcome to the English Room. Stay with us because by the end, you will know what to say when your English gets stuck.
Today, we will use a simple rescue map.
A rescue map?
Yes. Pause, explain, repair, continue.
Pause, explain, repair, continue.
Good. This map helps you stay calm in awkward moments.
So I do not need to run away from the conversation.
Exactly. You just need one small phrase to continue.
That sounds easier.
The first rescue phrase is very simple.
Okay, give it to me.
Let me think for a second.
Let me think for a second.
Use this when your mind goes blank.
Let me think for a second. I want to answer clearly.
Excellent. That gives your brain time.
Let's practice the first awkward moment.
Okay.
What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I forgot.
Now use the rescue phrase.
Let me think for a second.
Good. Now answer slowly.
Yesterday, I worked in the morning, then I watched a movie at night.
Perfect. You did not panic.
That one phrase helped me continue.
Exactly. Silence can feel awkward, but this phrase turns silence into thinking time.
So a pause is not failure.
No. A pause can be useful.
Let me think for a second.
Excellent.
Now, let's learn a phrase for when you do not understand.
This happens all the time.
Sorry. Could you say that again?
Sorry. Could you say that again?
Good. This is polite and natural.
Can I use it with anyone?
Yes. Friends, teachers, coworkers, strangers.
Sorry. Could you say that again?
If they are speaking too fast, say this.
What?
Could you speak a little slower, please? Could you speak a little slower, please? Excellent! These two phrases are very important.
One is for repeat. One is for slower.
Exactly. Repeat and slower. Let's practice.
Okay, Emma.
So after the meeting, we need to finish the report and send it before lunch.
Sorry, could you say that again?
After the meeting, we need to finish the report and send it before lunch.
Okay, finish the report and send it before lunch?
Yes, exactly.
Thank you.
Very good.
I asked again and checked the information.
That is a strong English skill.
It feels better than pretending I understand.
Exactly. Pretending can create more problems.
Ask again, check, continue.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about forgetting a word.
This is one of my biggest problems.
It happens to everyone.
What should I say?
I don't know the word, but
I don't know the word, but...
then describe it with simple English.
So I do not stop?
Exactly. Describe and continue. For example, I don't know the word, but it is the thing you use when it rains.
Umbrella.
Yes.
I don't know the word, but it is the place where you wait for a train.
Station. Excellent.
Missing one word does not destroy my conversation?
Exactly. Let's use that in a real conversation.
Okay.
What happened this morning?
This morning, it started raining, but I forgot I don't know the word, but the thing you use when it rains.
Your umbrella?
Yes, my umbrella. I forgot my umbrella, so I got wet.
Excellent. You continued the story.
I did not stop because of one word.
That is real communication.
Sometimes simple description is enough.
Yes. The goal is not perfect English. The goal is clear meaning.
I can describe the word and continue.
Exactly. Now let's learn how to fix a mistake.
Oh, I need this. Mistakes make me nervous.
Say, sorry. I mean,
Sorry. I mean,
use this when you say something wrong and want to correct yourself.
I went to work tomorrow? Sorry. I mean, yesterday.
Good correction.
She is my brother? Sorry. I mean, my sister.
Excellent.
That sounds normal?
Very normal. Fluent speakers correct themselves too.
Really?
Yes. Natural speech is not perfect speech.
Sorry. I mean,
Good. That phrase repairs the sentence. Let's practice fixing a mistake naturally.
okay.
Where did you go last weekend?
I went to my uncle's house on Monday. Sorry. I mean, Saturday.
Oh, nice. How was it?
It was good. We had dinner together.
Perfect. You corrected the mistake and continued.
The conversation did not break.
Exactly. Mistakes are not the problem.
What is the problem?
Stopping completely after a mistake.
So I should repair and continue.
Yes, repair and continue.
Sorry. I mean, Saturday.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about awkward silence.
Oh no, the worst moment.
When the conversation goes quiet, you need a simple question.
What question?
What about you?
What about you?
This is one of the easiest ways to continue.
How do I use it?
I usually study at night. What about you?
I usually study at night. What about you?
I like coffee. What about you?
I like coffee. What about you?
Good. You answer, then ask back.
Answer and ask back.
Exactly. That saves many conversations.
If this phrase helps you, like this video so you can practice it again later.
Let's practice saving a silent moment.
Okay.
Do you like living here?
Yes, I do. It is quiet and comfortable. What about you?
I like it too, but sometimes it feels too quiet.
Really? Do you prefer busy places?
Excellent.
That continued so easily.
Because you asked back and then followed up.
What about you gives the conversation back to the other person?
Exactly. It is simple but powerful.
I should use it more.
Yes, but not every sentence.
Okay, not every sentence.
Now let's talk about when you do not know the answer.
I hate this moment.
You do not need to fake an answer.
What should I say?
I'm not sure, but...
I'm not sure, but...
I'm not sure, but I think it starts at 7.
I'm not sure, but I think it starts at 7.
I don't know exactly, but...
I don't know exactly, but...
I don't know exactly, but I can check.
I don't know exactly, but I can check.
Good. This sounds honest and helpful.
So I can be unsure and still speak?
Exactly. Let's use it in a work or school situation.
Okay.
Do you know when the meeting starts?
I'm not sure, but I think it starts at 2.
Can you check?
Yes, I can check.
Good. Do you know the answer to question 3?
I don't know exactly, but I think it is about the main idea.
Very good.
That sounds better than staying silent.
Yes, a careful answer is better than no answer.
I'm not sure, but helps me start.
Exactly. It keeps you in the conversation. Now, let's learn what to say when you interrupt someone by mistake.
Oh, that feels embarrassing.
Say, sorry, go ahead.
Sorry, go ahead.
This means, please continue.
Sorry, go ahead.
You can also say, sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt.
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt.
Good. These phrases are polite and useful.
So, if we both speak at the same time, I can say that?
Exactly.
Sorry, go ahead.
Perfect. Short and natural.
This one is very useful in online meetings, too.
Absolutely. Let's practice an interruption.
Okay.
So, yesterday I went to the...
Oh, I also went. Sorry, go ahead.
Thanks. I went to the new cafe near the station.
Oh, nice. What did you order?
Great repair. That felt natural? Yes. Awkward moments become smaller when you repair them quickly.
The mistake is not a big problem if I know what to say next.
Exactly. That is the point of this lesson.
Repair quickly, then continue.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about when you need to change your sentence.
Like when my sentence becomes messy?
Yes. Use this phrase.
What is it?
Can I say that another way?
Can I say that another way?
This gives you permission to restart.
Can I say that another way? I mean, I was tired, but I enjoyed it.
Excellent.
So I can stop a bad sentence and make a better one.
Exactly.
Can I say that another way?
Use it when your sentence feels confusing.
This helps a lot.
Yes, it gives you control of the conversation. Let's practice restarting a sentence.
Okay.
How was your trip?
It was very, how to say, moving and tired and... Can I say that another way?
Of course.
The trip was tiring, but I really enjoyed it.
Excellent. Much clearer.
That felt better.
Yes, you changed a messy sentence into a simple sentence.
Simple sentence is better than confused sentence.
Exactly. Clear is better than complicated.
Can I say that another way? The trip was tiring, but I enjoyed it.
Perfect. Now, repeat the most useful stuck phrases.
Let's practice.
Let me think for a second.
Let me think for a second.
Sorry, could you say that again?
Sorry, could you say that again?
I don't know the word, but...
I don't know the word, but...
Sorry, I mean...
Sorry. I mean,
What about you?
what about you?
I'm not sure, but...
I'm not sure, but...
Can I say that another way?
Can I say that another way?
Excellent. These are your awkward moment rescue phrases. Now, let's do a full awkward conversation and fix it.
Okay. I will use the rescue map.
Leo, what did you do last weekend?
Let me think for a second. I went to a family dinner.
Nice. Where was it?
It was in a... I don't know the word, but it is a place with many tables and food?
A restaurant?
Yes, a restaurant.
It was a small restaurant near my house. How was the food? The food was very interesting.
Good repair.
It was interesting because I tried something new.
Excellent. You handled many awkward moments.
And the conversation continued.
Notice what happened in that conversation.
I paused, explained, repaired, and continued.
Exactly. That is the rescue map.
Pause, explain, repair, continue.
You did not need perfect English.
I just needed rescue phrases.
Yes. When you know what to say in awkward moments, you feel safer speaking.
That makes me want to speak more.
That is how confidence grows.
Not by avoiding mistakes.
Exactly. Confidence grows by learning how to handle mistakes.
If this lesson is helping you, subscribe to the English Room for more real conversation practice.
We help you speak English naturally, clearly, and confidently. Let's review when to use each phrase.
I'm ready.
When your mind goes blank, say, "Let me think for a second."
Let me think for a second.
When you do not understand, say, "Sorry, could you say that again?"
Sorry, could you say that again?
When you forget a word, say, "I don't know the word, but..."
I don't know the word, but
When you make a mistake, say, "Sorry, I mean..."
sorry. I mean,
When the conversation gets quiet, say, "What about you?"
What about you?
When your sentence is messy, say, "Can I say that another way?"
can I say that another way?
Excellent. Awkward moments are normal in English.
They do not mean my English is bad.
Exactly. They mean you are practicing real conversation.
Let me think for a second.
Good.
Sorry, could you say that again?
Nice.
Can I say that another way?
Perfect.
Now practice in the comments.
Write one rescue phrase you will use when you feel stuck.
You can write, "Let me think for a second."
If this lesson helped you, like the video and subscribe to the English Room for more easy English conversation practice.
Remember, you do not need perfect English to continue.
Pause, use one rescue phrase, and keep the conversation going.